Hello friends, welcome to Top Club Shopping. Today we will make very tasty Qubuli. Friends, this is very easy and very tasty. To understand the complete procedure in detail, please watch the video till the end. Thank you so much. Keep watching. I have mentioned the ingredients in the description box. This may
rice, boiled chana dal, pure ghee, yogurt, fried onions, salt, haldi, adrak lehsun, red chilli powder, garam masala, saffron, fresh coriander leaves and mint, 1 lemon, 3 seeds of
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel Top Club Shopping. Thank you so much and keep watching for more such interesting videos. Thank you.